Now, there are several ways to convert raw wall space into usable storage, but one of the most versatile and good-looking that I've come across is something called the Slatwall system.
The heart of the Slatwall system is this extruded aluminum track that installs with screws directly on the studs. I'm using decorative hardboard with a 1/4-inch spacer on the back to cover the wall between the tracks. Just about any 1/2-inch thick material will work. The panel is captured top and bottom by a lip on the track. Installation is remarkably quick and can be done with one person, although two would be better when working with longer sections. The finished wall is good looking and very versatile. Specially designed brackets allow shelving to be put up anywhere along a track. Panels can be made from pegboard, corkboard, as well as drywall and melamine. 3/4-inch thick melamine-clad particle board is the preferred choice for shelf stock. It's inexpensive and readily available. An extruded aluminum shelf bracket slips on the rear edge, is tapped into place, and is secured with screws. The bracket both stiffens the shelf and engages the shelf track. The aluminum front edge also slips on and is tapped into place. This trim comes in several widths and shapes. It conceals the unfinished edge of the particle board and further stiffens the shelf, enabling it to support hefty loads without deflecting. The system, developed by Hangman Products, has several accessories, including a tool caddy, hanging hooks designed to fit directly into the track, a clip-it strip that holds paper in place and releases it with a gentle pull downward, and a mounting mat that holds photos, notes, and more, with no clips, pins, or tape. If you're looking for a wall shelving system that does it all, this could be it.